So we're up here today addressing a leak that they were having over here in this corner with this tile roofing system. A couple of quick things to point out. We got it torn open here. One, you got a spot right here where water can just come down underneath the battens if it gets under the tiles and just go straight back into that corner over there. The battens are elevated to be able to allow water to come down through there if, you know, it should ever happen to get in there. But the problem is you get a lot of this debris and stuff built up over the years, and then it blocks the water from being able to get underneath there, and it pushes it to places that you don't want it to go. And then this spot here has been repaired, it looks like, a couple of times already in the past. And they didn't exactly do the repair the correct way. For one, there's a big cut in the ice and water here. Two, they didn't lap this underneath the old ice and water shield up here, so they created a reverse lap here where water can hit that and not be able to get out, or potentially get underneath the membrane there. And we got this issue, they wrapped the edge here too with a reverse lap, so that's just holding dirt and water. Then you got your weep holes here for any water that does get in under there to be able to come out. And the problem with those now is years and years and years of dirt and debris have built up in front of the space where the water goes out there, so those are getting plugged up too. So the plan is to remove all the battens and stuff, and then we're going to take and get up there and cut into